All right, listen up, language adventurers. Today, we're facing off against a monster that every English learner knows too well, the Vocabulary Vanishing Act. You know the drill. You're in the middle of a sentence, feeling smooth, fluent, confident, and then, poof. That word you learned yesterday just disappears like it's gone on vacation without telling you. Your brain goes blank. You start mumbling, um, uh, er, and suddenly, you look like a mime trying to explain quantum physics. Relax. Your brain isn't broken. You're not doomed. This is actually totally normal. Annoying? Yes. Permanent? No. So let's laugh about it, break it down, and then I'll hit you with some surprisingly powerful tricks to fix it. Why does your brain keep ghosting your words? First off, your brain is not Google. You can't just type that thing that attaches papers and have stapler pop up. Nope. Your brain is a messy, glorious network that stores memories in context. Context is king. Isolation is chaos. See a word once on an app? Meh. Your brain has nothing to hold on to. But use that stapler in a real-life office emergency 100 times and boom, it's locked in forever. Passive prisoner versus active hero. You've got passive vocab, words you understand but never use. That's like knowing someone's Instagram face but never actually meeting them. And then there's active vocab, words you can throw into a conversation at any time. Most of your words are still in prison. You've got to bust them out. Brain fog, freak out. Ever been so stressed you forgot super basic words, even in your own language? Yeah, that's your brain hitting fight or flight. Basically, your inner monkeys take over and start wrecking the place. The infamous forgetting curve. Memory leaks fast, like a bucket with holes in it. If you don't do something to reset the curve, those words just drip away. Studying versus learning. Seeing a word once and thinking you know it? That's like boarding a train and bragging you've already arrived. Real learning takes repeated, messy, glorious practice. Okay, so how do we fix it? Here's the fun part. Practical, powerful, and slightly ridiculous strategies to beat the Vocabulary Vanishing Act. The SUU process. Not a martial arts move, though it'll kick forgetting's butt. Here's the cycle. See it. Understand it. Use it. See it again. Understand it deeper. Use it again. Rinse. Repeat. Think superglue for your brain. Context is king. Learn words inside phrases, sentences, and real conversations. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, read stuff you actually enjoy. And hey, make weird mental hooks. The sillier, the stickier. Spaced repetition plus active recall. These two are your brain's personal trainers. Active recall. Test yourself. Cover the page, say the meaning out loud, explain it to your cat, whatever. Spaced repetition. Review words at just the right intervals before you forget them. That's how you flatten the forgetting curve. Mindset makeover. Forget a word? Don't panic. Joke about your brain fart. Paraphrase. Keep talking. Your overall message is more important than one missing word. And remember, stress kills recall. Relax, breathe, move your body, calm those monkeys. Use your tech sidekicks. Anki, hardcore flashcards with a steep learning curve, but super effective. Memrise, fun, video-based, more natural. Duolingo, gamified, but don't rely on it alone. Hey Llama, AI sidekick that pulls vocab from your conversations. Whatever you pick, use tools that make you actually engage. Final word. Learning vocabulary isn't magic. It's not instant. It's a process, messy, funny, sometimes frustrating, but totally worth it. Stick with it. Use these strategies, and I promise, those runaway words will stop ghosting you and finally stick around for the party. Happy word wrangling. And that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. Have you ever had a word that totally ghosted you mid-sentence? Drop your funniest brain fart stories in the comments. I want to read them all. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so those runaway words won't party without you next time. If there's a topic you'd like me to dig into and make a video about, please leave it in the comments.